there's a very big contradiction in Chazal. Where is the Chilazon found? Is the Chilazon found in the Yam Kinneret? Or is it, I believe the Zohar HaKadosh says the Chilazon is found in the Yam Kinneret. However, in the Medrash and in the Gemara, it says the Chilazon is the Yam HaTichon in the Mediterranean Sea. So, where is it? So the question is the Chilazon, what kind of animal is it? What kind of creature is it? What kind of water is conducive for the Chilazon? So the Radzyner Rebbe, in his journeys to try to discover what he thought was the Chilazon, he came up with the following theory. He says that originally the Be'era Shel Miriam was in the Kinneret. When the Beis Hamikdash stood, it was in the Kinneret. When it was in the Kinneret, then the Kinneret was conducive for the Chilazon. And the Chilazon lived in the Yam Kinneret, and that's why the Zohar, which was written during that time, says the Chilazon is found in the Yam Kinneret. But the same way Chazal say, Nadidu halachu, all the animals migrated out of Eretz Yisrael in the times of the Churban. So if the animals left, then maybe the Chilazon left. Where did the Chilazon go? The Chilazon went to the Yam HaTichon. How could the Chilazon live in salt water? So the Radzyner Rebbe says because the Be'era Shel Miriam also migrated out of the Yam Kinneret and it went to the Yam HaTichon. And it used to be, when the Beis Hamikdash stood, the Yam Kinneret was conducive for the Chilazon. But in the times of the Golos, the Yam HaTichon is conducive for the Chilazon. Why? Because the Be'era Shel Miriam left the Yam Kinneret and it came to the Yam HaTichon. That's the theory of the Radzyner Rebbe. It's a very interesting theory.